Here's Cutie Fruity Trade on ES. This Cutie Fruity Trade on ES, we had to babysit and monitor ES very carefully for a very long time, as we know better not to enter in the middle of the trend because nothing good happens if no rules applied in trading. So we exercised extreme patience and discipline as we teach in Alpha Wave Trader course. And I had taken a trade for demonstration purposes of Alpha Wave Trader method on ES from 1683.50. I'm trailing ES very carefully because I know when ES reaches danger zone, the pullback is imminent. 1687.25, based on the current structure, is absolutely critical. Will ES break through that level? 1686.50 is my third target. So there we go. Even during fascinating months of August, pure price for entry and Fibonacci for exits, with practice of patience and discipline, shows that Alpha Wave Trader method is quite powerful. It's based on very clear 4 precise rules for entry and Fibonacci for exit. We don't believe in anything random. Everything in this world has perfect symmetry. From your birthday, as I learned recently from Jean Hainer book, Your Hidden Symmetry, to price, to flowers, to nature, to animals, to everything that surrounds us. I was looking at the islands from the skies and I was seeing how that sequence is based. I mean, everything in the world is a puzzle. It's an absolute puzzle. And you can't ignore that fact. Danger zone is reached. ES is due for pullback. What will it do next? Oil is in a complete coma, but this is a reminder of power of Alpha Wave Trader method. Know where decision points are. This was Cutie Fruity 40 tick run up on oil. And this is Cutie Fruity 2 point, almost 3 point run up on ES. Fascinating months of August. I expect pullback on ES at any moment. Trailing very carefully. Once again, as you could see very clearly, the trade today we had taken was on 13 range on oil. This is a trade on 5 range on ES. And this is 60-minute chart, and I love the fact that as soon as I look on my emails, I get an email from Mark asking me, was this a trade on daily chart? On oil? Absolutely. Magic. If you spend time with pure price, you can trade any instrument in any time frame. Just learn the rules and obey them, always and forever. So guys, as we are witnessed prior on our Cutie Fruity long on oil, here's our Cutie Fruity long on ES is taking major pause. And what did we learn about the danger zone? 95% of the time it's the end of my trade. Is that clear? So my trail is very close. As you could see, absolutely nothing happened good on oil. The price has completely stolen these levels. I would love to get short on oil. So here we go. August 13th, it's 11:38 EST. Our patience and discipline paid off. Both trades, ES and oil. ES 13, oil, I'm sorry, ES 5, oil 13. I would never ever trade 5 range on oil. Had reached danger zone. And price is getting ready to give me either a correction or reversal. That's what happens when price reaches danger zone. And what are we witnessing on ES? ES is taking a major pause, but ES may actually surprise us and continue rally further up. So far, it's simply a correction. It is not a reversal. And I'm seeing sellers showing up on oil as expected because our long trade reached exactly same levels as it reached on ES. That's what happens when danger zone is reached. And that's exactly where oil 13 range is sitting when it reached danger zone. It had not been able to break through. So once you learn where danger zone levels, you know what not to enter into. Trail on ES, outside of decision point 1, adjusting to, don't want to go too close, 1684 and a quarter. One tick, 1684 and a quarter. But this is how essential and critical these levels are. Precise, pure, and clear. Will the rally on ES pick up? This would be a fantastic case study, Alphys, for Friday class. This is everything we discussed in this morning wave analysis. How predictable is that? When price reaches danger zone, it gives us either a reversal or correction. How predictable is that? My trail still remains 1684 and a quarter. Despite very powerful bullish move, ES is completely stuck as expected. So is everybody clear how essential it is to know what not to enter into and where to expect reversals? And there we go. Price collapsed as expected. So there we go. Our cutie fruity long had ended once again when it reached danger zone. So far today, one trade on oil 13 range and one trade on ES 5. Oil 42 ticks, ES 3, 2.75 points, whatever. Bottom line is, you can see alpha wave trader method is very, very clear, very, very simple, and very, very precise. Class is ongoing. Knowledge is a power. I expect incredibly powerful formations after the trading room close, which will be very, very shortly.